Let's make budgeting fun. The 50-30-20 rule is about making your money work for you. Tired of restrictive budgets? The 50-30-20 rule is here to help. It's simple, flexible, and puts you in control. This rule breaks down your income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt. Needs are essentials like rent or mortgage, food, utilities, transportation, and healthcare. Make sure these basic expenses are covered. Wants are the things you enjoy, like entertainment, dining out, hobbies, or travel. Budget a reasonable amount for your wants. Savings and debt is all about future financial security. Invest wisely to create a stable future. Want a home? That goes in the savings category. Student loan debt? That goes in the debt category. No need to sacrifice your enjoyment. The 50-30-20 rule allows you to have fun, but it also ensures you're financially prepared for the future. It's a flexible rule you can adapt to your own needs. It's about finding the balance that works for you. Needs are those essentials that keep you going. Rent or mortgage payments should be your first priority. Utilities like water, electricity, and internet are non-negotiable. Transportation costs cover your commutes and necessary errands. Food is an essential for a healthy life. Healthcare expenses are critical. Make sure your insurance coverage is in place. Plan for unexpected healthcare expenses by putting some money into savings. Be realistic with your spending in these essential areas. Look for ways to save on healthcare, utilities, and transportation. You can still find affordable alternatives for these essential needs. Track your expenses and see where you can trim your budget. Needs are important, but they should be a sustainable percentage of your income. Prioritizing your needs will give you a strong foundation. Be realistic about the money required for basic needs. Don't neglect your health. Healthcare costs might surprise you, so plan accordingly. Look for deals and coupons on necessities to save a little money. Consider budget-friendly transportation options, such as public transit or walking. Remember, even if it's just a few dollars here and there, it all adds up. Find creative ways to lower expenses related to your essential needs. Be aware of your needs, and then look for smart ways to manage them effectively. When needs are covered, you can focus on your wants and savings goals. Wants are what add enjoyment and spice to life. Allocate 30% of your income to those fun things. Include things like dining out, entertainment, and travel in your wants budget. Set reasonable limits for how much you want to spend. It's about finding balance between your wants and needs. Consider ways to reduce spending in this category without feeling deprived. Find free or budget-friendly alternatives for things you enjoy. Look for creative ways to have fun without breaking the bank. You can still have a great time on a budget. Don't feel guilty about enjoying your money. Be aware of the temptation of impulse buying, but plan for these purchases. Try new hobbies that are less expensive than your current ones. Think about your wants and find budget-friendly alternatives. Wants are important for maintaining a positive mindset. Look for free events, community activities, or creative pursuits. Consider cooking at home instead of always eating out. Plan your trips in advance to get the best deals and discounts. Explore free online entertainment options and resources. It's a balancing act, so make conscious choices to stay within your wants budget. Wants can contribute to happiness, so prioritize things that bring you joy. Now let's focus on the crucial savings and debt category. The 50-30-20 rule recommends dedicating 20% to these areas. Building a healthy emergency fund is key for financial peace of mind. Saving a portion of your income for unforeseen events is smart. This savings category should also include goals like a down payment on a home, a wedding, or retirement. Consider opening a separate savings account specifically for these goals. Even a small amount can make a big difference over time. You're basically building wealth through this category. If you have debt, paying it down is essential for long-term financial freedom. The 20% allocated to debt includes things like student loans, car loans, or credit card debt. A consistent debt repayment plan can make a significant impact. Consider a debt snowball or avalanche method to prioritize your debt repayment. Remember, savings and debt are a crucial investment in your financial future. Aim to save at least 10% of your income to build a solid foundation for your goals. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to make the process easier. Make paying down your debts a priority to gain control of your finances. A debt-free lifestyle feels so liberating. Celebrate every payment toward your debt and the milestones you reach. Take charge of your finances so you can pursue your financial dreams with confidence. Be proactive. Consistent saving and debt reduction will lead to financial stability. The 50-30-20 rule is just a starting point, so feel free to customize it. You may need to adjust the percentages to meet your personal needs. Use budgeting tools or apps to help you track your progress. Keep a written record or use spreadsheets to monitor your finances. Don't be afraid to ask for help from financial advisors or experts. Talk to loved ones about your financial goals for support and encouragement. Take your financial education seriously and keep learning and growing. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments when needed. Embrace mindful spending habits and choose your purchases thoughtfully. Financial freedom isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a life you love. Building a healthy financial foundation takes commitment and dedication. The 50-30-20 rule is a fun and effective way to get started. Celebrate your progress every step of the way, big or small. Don't be afraid to seek financial support when you need it. Embrace the mindset of abundance, knowing that you'll create a brighter financial future. You have the power to create the financial life you desire. You can accomplish great things, one smart financial decision at a time. Keep striving for financial well-being. It's worth the effort. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep growing on your financial journey. You've got this. Remember, it's your financial life. Live it with purpose and intention. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more 5-minute fixes.